think it will be the most delicious pulao you'll have ever tried. It's a very new recipe, very मसालेदार जायकेदार recipe. तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा आप सबको और तो इसलिए प्लीज़ मिस ना कीजिए वेडिंग पुलाव 16 अक्टूबर को.
What's the plot of the film and what kind of role you're playing one by one?
One by one. Oh me? I play a character called Jay, जो लंदन में रहता है और he's a painter. He's an artist basically. He paints nudes. And no, he doesn't paint Anushka nude as such. It's a पारिवारिक film. हाँ, तो बहुत ही chilled out है, बहुत ही romantic है, and he comes down to Thailand because Anushka says that we should get married.
And I'm playing the role of Anushka. My character's name is Anushka.
Really? Wow, creative, yeah? बहुत.
So her character is very relatable, very new age, very fun. She's really funny. She cracks her friends. She's emotional, extremely emotional. She loves like crazy. She has fun like crazy. Very respectful of her family, and so it's something that I feel everyone can relate to nowadays because that is how girls are brought up now, to be independent, to know what they want in life, and to decide, make their own decisions, and also at the same time be respectful, be courteous, be nice, be humble. So that's the kind of upbringing at least I have also received. I'm sure all the girls out there have received, so they'll really enjoy Anushka's character.
And I play Adi in this film, and Adi is like a sorted guy. He knows what he wants, and he's working in a very big company, and he's a bike designer, and he's engaged to a very pretty girl, and both are good friends. Anushka and Aditya, that's my character name. Aditya and Anushka are good friends, and they both decide to get married at this destination wedding, and that's when the whole confusion starts because then he kind of realizes that it's more than friendship. He's kind of love Anushka and not his fiancée. So that's where the confusion starts, and that's the wedding pulao all about.
And why is the movie titled Wedding Pulao as such? What the concept was this?
Because अगर आप कहेंगे शादी का लड्डू तो लड्डू में एक फ्लेवर होता है. It's only sweet. While in pulao there are a lot more flavors. It's sweet, it's salty, it's spicy, it's everything. So that is what this film is. ये सिर्फ शादी का एक aspect नहीं दिखा रहा है आपको. Not just the love, not just the happy part of it. It's showing the behind the scenes of the whole thing, the whole confusion of the wedding. वो दिखाते नहीं क्योंकि apparently it's taboo to show that you have to always want to marry who you're getting married to. Many times ऐसा होता नहीं और आजकल के ज़माने में तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. बहुत टाइम लोग जल्दबाजी में डिसीजन ले लेते हैं कि हाँ हमें इनसे शादी करनी है. Unfortunately closer to the wedding you are not sure completely. तो हम वो एस्पेक्ट दिखा रहे हैं, फिर मज़ा भी दिखा रहे हैं, हम थोड़ा इमोशन दिखा रहे हैं. तो वेडिंग पुलाव से अच्छा नाम हमें और कोई मिल भी नहीं सकता था.
करेक्ट. और पुलाव जो है अपने आप में एक कंप्लीट डिश है. उसी तरह जो हमारी फिल्म है वो अपने आप में एक कंप्लीट एंटरटेनर है. इसलिए आई डोंट थिंक हमें भी आप अगर देखें तो हम अगर ऐसे ही हमें रिकॉर्ड करते रहेंगे तो उसमें ही 1 घंटे की फिल्म बच जाएगी.
और पुलाव जो है उसको बनाने के लिए राइट इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए. सो दिस इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ राइट इंग्रेडिएंट्स. So that's why it's called wedding pulao.
Okay, one by one, I want to know the opinion regarding relationship of today. Basically, when it happens to wedding, it's very short term and it has become so commercial as such. What do you have to comment?
Commercial, I don't know. They definitely are more convenient. People want to be more convenient and comfortable before starting to compromise or adjust or make certain sacrifices to continue or maintain a relationship.
What do you have to comment?
I feel it's becoming very क्या बोलते हैं जैसे जल्दबाजी में everyone's making decisions के I've had so many unfortunately engagements be called off on my near and close friends where I'm just like then why didn't you take a little more time and it's a lot of embarrassment. आप उठ के बोल लोगे हाँ मुझे शादी नहीं करनी है but what about his parents, your parents, the 100 other people in your family, his family, just all together society. Let's not be this modern and so carefree कि your decisions are your decisions and no one else really matters. Be a little more caring because you still do live with friends and you live with family, you live with extended family. So however modern Indians are, we still have a very strong value system. So just to keep that in respect, I feel you should just be a little more cautious and smart of what you do.
In movies it's all right, to show such things because we have cinema liberty, we can show a lot of things, confusion, all that, but in reality it's happening these days. So some of these weddings are like, movies where the groom walks off, bride runs away, so all that's happening which is not so cool because it's really a serious issue. So yeah, I think we should just stick to the basics and decide who we want to be with for the rest of our life, and rather than just trying, fooling around.
And so you're not an ordinary pressure on you to become successful as a star or an
See, my parents are not star parents, so luckily I don't have that star kid tagged with me. That, you know, my parents have lived up to a certain legacy as actors, and I have to match up to that. As an actor, our full family is new. You know, our full family in the field of films is very much new. So I can set my own goals, I can set my own heights and standards and everything. And जो उनकी थोड़ी बहुत बैकिंग रही है फिल्म्स में, उसकी वजह से बेटर रहा है मेरे लिए. बट वो ज़्यादातर टेलीविज़न के इंडस्ट्री के लोग हैं, तो वो फील्ड अलग है, यहाँ का फील्ड अलग है.
And your parents also take part in social initiative as such. So are you inclined to social initiative?
Very much. अब जो हमारा कॉज है बेटी against female feticide, and हम जो very recently we started taking care of acid attack victims. Unfortunately हमारे पास इतने रिसोर्सेज नहीं है कि हम एक घर बना सकें और सबको साथ में रख के हेल्प कर सकें. हमें इंडिविजुअली एक एक केस लेना पड़ता है. एंड आई एम वेरी इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स इट. होपफुली इफ आई बिकम समथिंग बिग एंड सक्सेसफुल, I can reach out to a lot more people, because unfortunately or fortunately people listen to actors and celebrities more than आम जनता. You know, अगर आप कहीं से आ रहे हैं और बोल रहे हैं कि you know फीमेल फीटिसाइड मत करो या एसिड अटैक विक्टिम्स को हेल्प करो, कोई इतना सुनता नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली. तो होपफुली दिस प्लेस दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक फॉर माई सेल्फ इन दिस इंडस्ट्री विल हेल्प मी take my cause forward, and what my mother has started, hopefully I'll take forward, and if in future I have kids, they'll continue doing so till it's more or less eradicated in this country.
So do you feel in the last 1 decade the mindset of viewers have changed? I mean, basically last decade, before that, people look for the star value kind of thing, star place. Right now, content is more important as far as
no.
cinema.
It's always been, content has always been more important. If you go back to Satyajit Ray and Rishikesh Mukherjee and one of those earlier generation of filmmakers, so content was always more important. The content always made the star. Right now the star seems to be more important. Right now we seem to be more bothered who is whose son and whose daughter, and who's being launched by whom, and what is the marketing strategy, and what is the collection the film is making, and who made how much money, how much per day somebody gets. Right now we are completely surrounded by a lot of commercial aspects. I think earlier we were still focusing a lot more on filmmaking and a lot more on content, and I think we can still do that. We can still get back, and we can still focus on the content rather than the star.
I don't know, I don't completely agree to that, because I believe, yeah, maybe back in the day they were, but in the middle somewhere we did really lose the whole plot of filmmaking. It became the typical dance move, the typical Switzerland locations, जहाँ पर आपके सारे you know जो भी आप फॉरेन लोकेशन में शूट करें, वहाँ पर पूरी जनता यहाँ पर खड़ी, आप बीच में डांस कर रहे हो. Literally every film का song looked identical to me. I said, I think now it's a little more wide in that sense, because there are so many more type of films coming. Even as for newcomers, there's so much more happening that you have a lot of chances to do various things. Like for example, I always give Varun's example that he may have come in a typical Karan Johar film with a student of the year, complete out and out hero. But when he got a chance, he also did a Badlapur. Same goes for Deepika Padukone. She does the super glam roles, but then when she did get a chance to completely de-glam and be a piku, she went for it. So I just feel there's a better scope now and people care. Titli bhi ek picture aa rahi hai abhi. मैंने कल ही उसका जो trailer देखा है, really enjoyed the trailer a lot, and I'm looking forward to that film now. More than a 100 crore film which has been made in 100, hoping for 200, 250 crores. I'm maybe not that inclined to that. So I'm happy that I'm coming in at this point and not in the 90s or early 2000s.
Yeah, I don't know much about Bollywood history, but this is the right time. You know, earlier it was like a hard shell to crack because only star kids ruled the industry. That's what I always thought. But right now it's the right time because a lot of youngsters have been entertained, and a lot of encouragement you are getting as like for an outsider or a South Indian. So I think it's the right time. So Bollywood is evolving, and I feel the industry, I'm from South industry, so I feel industry is becoming one, which is a very good thing. You know, a lot of actors are shuffling between, you know, Bollywood to South and South to Bollywood, so which is a good thing for Indian cinema.
Nowadays also, you know, there's an added flavor in the film. Suppose that there's a Honey Singh song or an item number or a cameo role. Is there something USP of the film like this?
Yeah, I don't think there's a USP in certain films. आपकी picture थोड़ी अलग तरीके जा सकती है. If you have these things, we don't have a Honey Singh song because we have beautiful songs by Salim Sulaiman. Honestly, if you hear the songs, you don't need an extra किसी को ना बाहर से बुला के डांसिंग does not need it at all. USP is our songs, what Salim Sulaiman have given us. USP is the cinematography and the way this film has been shot and how everyone's been looking in the film. So I think the film itself sells itself. We don't need any extra added flavors. नहीं तो वो हो जाता अभी तक. एक हम लोग एक song कर लेते हैं हनी सिंह के साथ, all of us would be dancing behind him. But we didn't feel the need to do that. Now let's see what happens post 16th October. But at least we are very confident in what we are portraying.
Yeah, we know we should have done that.
If you didn't think otherwise, I mean, you are only featuring on the poster of the movie.
Yeah.
What the reason behind it? I mean,
No, the poster is me and Digant. These are the old posters. This was when the trailer was launching. There was my standees and this Wedding Pulau's first look standee. Unfortunately, Digant was not there for the trailer launch, so that's why his standees were not put. He was shooting for another film. So that's why वो तभी की standees ही नए posters नहीं है.
Lastly, I just want to ask, why will people go to watch the film? Why will they spend money and go?
यार full on entertainer है. जो भी है फिल्म, जब आप देखो, आप 100 रुपये 200 रुपये की जब टिकट लेते हो तो आपको देख के मज़ा आना चाहिए, रिलेटेबल कैरेक्टर्स होने चाहिए, म्यूजिक सुन के अच्छा लगना चाहिए, और जो भी एक्टर्स हैं वो आपको चार्मिंग और अच्छे लगने चाहिए, और वो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हमारी फिल्म में हैं. तो 16 अक्टूबर को जब आप वो टिकट लेके जाएंगे आपको मज़ा भरपूर आएगा. इसी
I completely agree कि हमने बहुत कोशिश की है कि हम एक entertaining, sweet, happy film बनाएं, और बहुत पारिवारिक फिल्म है. आप पूरी फैमिली के साथ जा सकते हैं, तो एक अच्छा आउटिंग भी हो जाता है as a family. So that's what I'd like to tell everyone कि please as a family go and enjoy this film. आप जब बाहर जा रहे हैं मॉल्स में खाने पीने के लिए, you know when you have your big holidays.
अरे रोहित,
हाँ. So, you know, so when you go with your families to the malls on the weekends, you know, like a getaway thing, outing, ये picture तभी देखनी चाहिए. And Karan's done a fabulous job, Digant's done a fabulous job.
you've done a
I've
fabulous
done
job.
a very, very good job.
She looks hot.
And the other actors are also there, very senior actors who are amazing anyway at their work. So, you know, एक अच्छा mix हो रहा है यहाँ पे, और आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा, honestly बहुत पसंद आएगा.
It's like she said, it's a right mixture of right ingredients. South का rice है, Haryani masala है, Punjabi ghee है. So it's and not only us, there are more actors like Rishi sir is there, Rishi Kapoor sir, Satish Kaushik, Parmeet Sethi. If I start naming, there are so many. So it's the right ingredient, right mixture of all the actors, masala. So I think you don't want to miss such a good film. So please watch A Wedding Pulao.
One last question to you, Anushka. Your parents are producing a film message. What is the reaction from the industry people?
The industry from the reaction people,
Jealous.
I mean, reaction from the industry people is beautiful.
Jealous.
You know, honestly, that's what I would expect, because that's what you hear कि कोई किसी के लिए खुश नहीं होता है. But यहाँ पर people have gone out of their way to pick up the phone and call my father. Not my father also. They've taken my number from my parents to call me up personally. David Dhawan has been beautiful. He's been so sweet. He came on our shoot one day. He took my number. He called me and was saying, "Beta, I had to call you up to say that I'm so happy to see you like this. I'm proud of you." He's like, obviously, maybe you could have worked here, idhar udhar, but he's like, I have no complaints to give you as a newcomer. And there was so many. Rumi Jaffrey has been very supportive. तो बहुत ऐसे इंडस्ट्री के लोग हैं जिन्होंने मुझे पर्सनली फ़ोन करके ये कहा है कि आप पहले तो न्यू कमर लग नहीं रहे हैं, पिक्चर बहुत फ्रेश लग रही है. People have even messaged me things like, we didn't expect this. You have pleasantly surprised us with this film. Not me, but the film. क्योंकि ऐसे लग रहा था, हाँ, father's producing, daughter's acting. मतलब it's one of those varieties. You know, father has too much money to spend. It's honestly nothing like that. You will, when you see the film, it's not like I'm driving the whole story of the film. We all have been given equal roles. Everyone has performed properly and everyone's got an equal attention in the film. So you will honestly enjoy the film for what the film is. And I don't know if you all have seen the trailer, but I hope you all liked it too. Yeah. And if normal people, everyone who's meeting me, their reactions, people who are working in the industry, their reactions has been positive, then I guess we are on the right path.
Thanks for
Thank you.